Blogging is not just a hobby anymore. It's one of the most powerful ways to build a personal brand and earn money online, whether part-time or full-time. Here's how you can start and grow a blogging website to make money. First, set up a professional blog. Start by choosing a niche. This should be a topic you are passionate about and one that has an audience. Examples include personal finance, technology, health, travel, food, or productivity. Next, create your blog. You can start on free platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com, but for real control and better monetization, go with a self-hosted blog using WordPress.org. Get a hosting service like Bluehost or Hostinger and register your domain name using GoDaddy or Namecheap. Now let's talk about how to monetize your blog. The first method is display advertising. This is best if you are getting consistent traffic. Join networks like Google AdSense, which pays per click. As your traffic grows, you can move to premium ad networks like Ezoic, Mediavine, or AdThrive, which offer better earnings. The second method is affiliate marketing. You promote products or services and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Shareasale, Impact, or CJ. Write blog posts such as product reviews, how-to guides, or comparison articles and include your affiliate links naturally. The third method is selling your own digital products. This is a high-margin income stream. You can sell ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables. Use platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy to deliver your products. For example, if your blog is about productivity, you could sell Notion templates or habit trackers. The fourth way is offering services. Use your blog to showcase your expertise and attract clients. This works well for freelance writing, SEO consulting, web design, or even coaching. Your blog builds authority, and your services generate income. Next, consider sponsored posts and brand deals. Brands pay you to feature their products on your blog. You can either reach out directly or list your blog on platforms like GetBlogged or IntelliFluence. This method works well if your blog has decent traffic and niche authority. Another powerful income source is email marketing. Build an email list by offering something valuable for free, like a checklist or mini guide. Use email marketing tools like ConvertKit or MailerLite. Then, you can promote your affiliate links, your services, or your digital products to a trusted audience. You can also create a membership model or offer premium content. People pay to access exclusive articles, tools, or community features. Use platforms like Patreon, Substack, or plugins like MemberPress to implement this. Now, let's talk about how to get traffic to your blog. Focus on search engine optimization or SEO. Use keyword research tools like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs to find the right topics. Write long-form, valuable content that solves real problems. Optimize your blog titles, images, and links. Also, promote your blog on social media. Pinterest is especially effective for blog traffic. Use Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, Quora, and even Reddit to engage with your audience and drive visitors to your blog. So, when can you expect to earn money? In the first 3 to 6 months, you might start seeing income from affiliate links and freelance leads. In 6 to 12 months, you may qualify for AdSense or even start getting brand deals. After 1 year of consistent effort, you can start earning from multiple income streams, including digital products and passive income. Here are a few pro tips before you begin. Post consistently, ideally once or twice a week. Focus on building your email list from day one. Prioritize value over quantity. And always track your blog's performance using Google Analytics. To wrap up, blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's one of the most rewarding paths to build authority, share your message, and earn sustainable income.